Hey everybody, how is it going out there? This is Dave J of The Sound of Monday from New York City, going live just to do a quick little check-in. Haven't live streamed in about a year, and I'm back to say hello. Hello, how are you? Well, it's one for the money. Well, it's two for the show. Well, it's three to get ready now. Go, 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 don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Do anything to lay off of my blue suede shoes. To be continued on that. Now, we've got the show going. We're ready to go. And please, don't step on the shoes. Of course, this is a Tuesday, and it is therefore Dave J Tuesday. That's right. Right there. That's the logo that we were looking for. And we are not just Dave J Tuesday. We are The Sound of Monday on Dave J Tuesday. Let's continue on, shall we? All right. Up and at 'em. Good morning, mister, and good day, madam. It's time to set out on our way. Up and at 'em, Earth to Saturn. There's so much to do and lots to fathom. I'm looking forward to today. Then I'll stop and look around. There's so much lost left to be found. And I'll hop from bed to ground. See the sight, smell the air, hear the sound. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 da. Up and at 'em. I'm so glad I'm alive and well enough to reach new stratum. I'm looking forward, come what may. Yeah, 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 yeah. All right. So let us know who's on board. We're only going to be doing this for a few minutes. It's a quick check-in, mind you. I thank you for the likes there. Mr. Jeff Friedman, my old colleague and pal from Livingston, as well as my cousin, Royce Joel. And Beetle Mike seems to be in the house. And welcome, Beetle Mike. Nice to see you again. We just saw each other, only weeks ago in Nashville, Tennessee. Nashville. And when I came back from Nashville, I started walking around New York going, oh yeah, how you doing over there? I had to keep throwing in the guhs. I'm not really sure why. And I was singing this tune as well. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill, and I know a spot right over the hill. The soda pop and the dancing is free, and if you wanna have fun, come along with me. Hey, good looking, don't you know I've been tookin'? How's about taking all your time with me? Gonna throw my date book over the fence and buy me a new one, 5 or 10 cents. Gonna keep till it's covered with age, 'cause I'm writing your name on every page. Hey, good looking, what you got cooking? Well, how's about cooking something up with me? Let's do some cooking. All right, well, I want to welcome you again to The Sound of Monday on Dave J. Tuesday, and it's nice to be back. Let's check and see if there are any comments. Oh, look, Andy Wasserman, our old colleague and friend from when we used to do the live stream, simply known as Dave J. Tuesday. Back before it was The Sound of Monday on Dave J. Tuesday, Andy Wasserman speaks out and says, "Hey, my friend," it says here, "your link to The Sound of Monday is spelled wrong, and therefore the link is broken. Getting ready to go out. I'll hit you up soon." Thanks for the tip. I'll have to correct that. The Sound of Monday is spelled as it is here, The Sound of Monday, and that's where you'll find us on Facebook. I was doing that just to make sure, just to test. Yes, how's that for a lousy excuse? Sure it is. Ah, goodness gracious, I spelled it wrong. Sad, isn't it? Yes, it is. But you know what'll make us happy? A little tune to close things out. We'll fix that link before long. Can't do it now. I'm on stage. I'm on live with you folks. Wait, let me just wet the whistle with my Dave J. Tuesday mug. Cheers. And close it out with a little tune I wrote last November. And hope you enjoy it. It's called Songbird. Songbird, the chirping you heard, with melodious allure, alone this warbling troubadour. Songbird, wandering epicure, serves a catchy chorus, stirring sentimental verse. Songbird, thread of tone-deaf howl on the prowl, looking for sweet prey. Lost in this clever tune, let's all escape in everyone's getaway. Songbird, spirits will soar, for freedom is his medium, he's happy to report. Songbird, songbird. Well, I want to thank you all for checking in with me on my check-in with you on The Sound of Monday on Dave J. Tuesday. We'll fix the pointing in post. No, we won't. It's live, and that's how we're going to do it. And Adam Slavitt is here, back with us once again as well. Thumbs up to you as well, my friend. Thank you for the kind yellow thumb in the upward direction. It's a pleasure to see you all again. I'll be back on one of these Tuesdays, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, please do sign up in what we will eventually fix the link for. But just so you know, it's facebook.com/The Sound of Monday. THESOUN as in Nancy, D, OF as in Frank, MONDAY. There it is in the corner, up there. No, up there. The Sound of Monday. Everything's backwards, you see, when I'm doing this. When I see it on my... You'll follow. You understand. All right, very good. Oh, Jeff Friedman says, Adam shows me a different finger. I didn't... who knew? Well, okay. Well, it's getting racy up in here. I don't want to sign off, but I've got things to do. I've got to renew my passport, for example. That's right. I just discovered my passport expired. We got to go to Japan later this year. Oh, I'm practicing, by the way, a new phrase. I'm trying to learn Japanese. So, Dave desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. That's it. Let me say it again. Dave desu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. That means, hi, I am Dave. Nice meeting you. Okay, well, I'm gonna keep practicing that and my tunes digiousness, and we'll be checking in with you again soon, but not before someone else said, oh, look at that. He's already got it. He says, oh, Bill Friedman is here. Another Friedman. Any relation to Jeff Friedman? I don't think so, but you're both from Livingston, so how about that? Billy Friedman, as I knew him back in the day. How are you, Bill? Billy? Bill? Will? What do you prefer these days? It's more in our 50s now. Okay. Billy? Do they still call you Billy? I'd call you Billy. I'm not, I don't care how old we are. Doesn't make a difference to me. Let's sing a song about it. I used to call him Billy. Hey, now I call him Will. I don't know. All right, I make up tunes. He says, great. I'm glad to hear you're doing great. If that's, I know I asked you about 3-4 questions. I assume you don't want to be called great. Hey, maybe he does want to be called great. I don't. He says, yep, that's what I meant. I'm catching on. You know, I was in the remedial class. So anyway, you'll understand if it takes me a moment to catch up with the verbiage coming on the screen here. Should I play one more tune before I sign off? What would you like to hear a Beatles tune, perhaps? Yeah? Little upbeat Beatles tune? Let's use our capo for that. I'll stay on here all day. I just can't help myself. Oh yeah, I'll tell you something. Think you'll understand when I say that something. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Oh, please say to me, you'll let me be your man. And please say to me, you'll let me hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. And when I touch you, I feel happy, happy inside. It's such a feeling that my love I can't hide, I can't hide, I can't hide. Yeah, you got that something. I know you'll understand, when I say that something. Oh, you'll let me hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. I wanna hold your hand. Beetle bow. All right, folks, I want to thank you again, Paul Andrew McLean. Thank you for coming aboard as well before the proceedings were to finish and or had finished, or we have a little grammar check on aisle 2. And that's about all we've got. In fact, I didn't even charge the backlight enough and it's gone out. As we are about to do, we're about to go out and renew our passport. That's what we must do. I'm talking like I'm, what's his name? Gargamel, the guy in the Lord of the Rings who, no, that's a Smurf reference, I think. The guy who's like, take precious into the ring and all that crap. Doesn't really matter, does it? Well, in any case, thanks again for checking in to my check-in. It's the Sound of Monday on Dave J. Tuesday. Have a great day. Bye for now.